G'day, Johnny G, Naked Racer Motor Code. Welcome back. Look what we've got today, this beautiful R1 2004 model. Real rocket ship. And I can't wait to take you for a bird around the block on it. It's going to be a hoot. But anyway, you can see the much more aggressive styling in 2004. This is the third generation of the R1. And when they first came out in 1998, they had 127 horsepower. This has now got 180 horsepower. And anyway, when the R1 came out in 98, it did take the world by storm. It was the fastest litre motorcycle on the road, and very nimble handling. And what they've done is shorten the wheelbase, and to enable them to do that, they've stacked the gearbox on top of the engine, and it's shortened the whole package up. It gives them a shorter wheelbase, quicker steering motorcycle, and that's why these are such a weapon on the track. You can see they've got the beautiful 5-spoke wheels, big full floating disc rotors, radial mounted calipers, aerodynamic front guard. These have got the aluminium Delta Box V frame, and also run the X-up power valve, which is a big thing for horsepower on these. This bike goes 180 miles an hour or 290 kilometres an hour. That'll get your attention. A real nice package, and they're actually pretty good with a pillion on them as well. But if you want to go potty racing, or if you just want to do some track days and stuff, you can't go far past one of these. Bang for your buck. And as you can see, it's a very pretty looking motorcycle, so you know you're gonna look good as well. Anyway, we'll get out on the road on this thing, and we'll see what it does. See you out there. Yeah, big clouds to me. But you know, once the wind gets onto your chest, it picks it up off your wrists. And this is a weapon. This would be a lot of fun at the Ridden Spur or the Great Ocean Road. I'm not much of a track guy. I love the road. And probably nothing better to go around the twisties than on one of these. Let's let them get ahead and we'll give it a little bit of a blast. High-speed bike. Well, okay, there you go. That was a fun ride, pretty exhilarating, quick bike. I feel like a folded up pocket knife on it, but I'm a bit big for these kind of things and a bit old as well, I think. You know, this is a young man's sport, but still great fun to ride. And, you know, getting out on the highway and doing like high speed, that's where these come into their own. They've got the Ram Air induction, which there's big vents in the front here, and it pressurizes the airbox, which is how they go so fast in their top speed. And also another thing I forgot to mention before was the underseat exhaust, which Yamaha pioneered in, well look, Honda came out with them first with the NR750, but you know, they only Made a handful of those. The first serious production run of underseat exhaust was Yamaha, and then Ducati got into it. So it's good, it tucks it out of the way, it makes the bike look very clean down the side, and obviously makes it really easy to service the rear wheel and stuff like that. You don't have to take the mufflers off. So a good system. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, follow and share. Hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in this bike, it is for sale at Naked Racer Motor Co. So come down and have a look at it. See you soon.